Oh, we got another one.
Hey guys, it's Bernardo coming at you with another video, and today I'm going to be testing out a dupe that I found on the Juno & Co website for the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So this is what it looks like. It's the Supreme Chaos palette. It's really pretty. It's from Prism Makeup. This is what the back looks like. This is what the palette looks like. The Huda Beauty palettes are $27 each, and this was $12 for the whole palette. So this is one of the palettes, and this is the other palette. This one is the one I really wanted, but these shimmers look really pretty as well. The Beauty one looks like, I'll try not to get too much of a glare, but that's what the Huda Beauty one looks like. And then if we compare it, you can definitely see a resemblance with the two. They're like the exact positioning of the colors. Okay, you guys, so I also wanted to compare the other side of the palette with the other Huda Beauty one. So this is what they look like. As you can see, they are very close. So I'm going to start off with this orange shade called Energy and just put it in my crease. You can tell there is a lot of pigment right off of the bat. Like, I've only done 2 swipes so far. I think I'm gonna do a pink and orange cut crease. But I'm gonna swatch this orange just to see what, yeah, it's really pigmented. I'm gonna swatch one of these as well. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. So that's looking really good so far. Now I'm going to incorporate the pink. So I'm going with the shade Radical right here. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's nothing that bothers me too much. As you can see, that's really pigmented. And it's blending so good with the orange. This honestly may be one of my new favorite palettes. I have to try more from Juno & Co. and like Prism Makeup because they're really good dupes and they're so underrated. But right now I'm just blending these 2 colors together. Then we're gonna cut the crease. Okay, now I am going to cut my crease very quickly with my ColourPop concealer, and we're just gonna take this brush here. Okay, now that the crease is cut, I'll be taking some of this shade here, which is Acid Drip, and put it underneath my eye to make the look more tropical, I'd say. Now, I'm going to be taking the shade Sky High and doing a winged liner on the top of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna fix it and do it on the other eye, and I'll be right back. So this is what the look is looking like so far.
The frick is not too shabby. I'm so confused right now.
Now I'm going to be going in with the same orange shade and just putting a little on the bottom. I'm gonna be taking some of this shade Offbeat right here, and I'm going to be putting that in the inner corner. Okay, now I'm gonna pop on a lash on these Violet Vosh lashes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what the look is looking like. I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna add some glitter. Take some of these stars and put them in the inner corner. Okay, that was a little extra. Now there's glitter all over my floor. But you know what? It's okay. Now I'm gonna finish the look and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so I finished the look, and overall I really like this palette, and I'm not even lying. And I just love the packaging and how it's set up, and I think it's such a great dupe for the Huda Beauty one. So, you know, I'd say buy this over buying 2 separate palettes for $27 when this is only $12. And I've actually seen people use those palettes and they don't even look as good as this worked. So that's my opinion on it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Smash that like button down below and subscribe. You already know I'm trying to get to 100 followers right now. We're at 97, which is really great. Leave a comment down below what you think about this palette and if I should try out more dupes in the future. Love you guys so much. Bye. Have a nice day.